You're welcome to PSLE Maths. Let's look at an interesting question from Red Swastika 2018 prelims paper. This is question number 14. Siti had 10 buns, 120 muffins, and 30 cookies after spending 50% of her money at Star Bakery. The cost of each muffin to the cost of each cookie is 1 is to 2. The amount she spent on all the muffins is thrice the amount she spent on all the buns. Find the percentage discount for the buns. So the first part is a very easy one. For every 4 buns that she pays, she gets 1 bun free, which means she gets 5 buns for the cost of 4 buns. 1 bun out of every 5 bun is free, so the discount is 1 over 5 times 100, that is 20%. So that answers the first part of the question. Now coming to the second part of the question, Siti then decided to spend the rest of her money on buns. How many free buns will she get from spending the rest of her money on buns in Star Bakery? So notice the point. The question is how many free buns, not the total number of buns. So we'll come back to that. Let's chat on muffins, cookies, and buns. So she bought a total of 120 muffins, 30 cookies, and 10 buns. So for every 5 buns, one of it is free. So out of 10 buns, 2 buns would be free. So she would have paid for 8 buns out of those 10 buns. So we'll have that 8 within the brackets. The cost of each muffin to the cost of each cookie is 1 is to 2. So let's take the cost of each muffin to be 1 unit. Then the cost of cookie becomes 2 units. So the total cost of all the muffins together is 120 times 1 unit is equal to 120 units. The cost of all the cookies together is 30 times 2 units is equal to 60 units. The question says the amount she spent on all the muffins is 3 times the amount she spent on all the buns. So the amount she spent on all the muffins is 120 units. That divided by 3 is equal to 40 units should be the amount of money she spent on all the buns. So having known the total cost she has spent on the buns as 40 units and she has paid for 8 buns, which means the cost of each bun is 40 units divided by 8 is equal to 5 units. Now we get the total cost that she has spent on muffins, cookies and buns as 120 units plus 60 units plus 40 units is equal to 220 units. So she has spent 50% of her money at Star Bakery. 50% corresponds to this 220 units, which means the rest is another 50% which corresponds to another 220 units. So with this 220 units of money and each bun costing 5 units, she can buy a total of 220 units divided by 5 units is equal to 44 buns. So the total number of buns that she pays for is 44 buns. But for every 4 buns, she gets 1 bun free. So 44 divided by 4 is equal to 11 free buns. So the answer to part B of the question is 11 free buns. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more problem sums. If you have a specific question that you would like to see a video on, please post it in the comment section. Thank you.